Hi guys, do you know how many different animals we can find in Wildcraft? And guys, do you know how many animals are available for hunting? Example, how many big cats, how many birds, how many monkeys we can find. Number 1, first animal rabbit. Number 2, squirrel. Number 3, skunk. Number 4, raccoons. Number 5, deers. Number 6, wild pigs. Number 7, fox. These animals in winter forest we not count again. We find them in wild plants. Winter forest animal number 8, lynx. Hunting animal number 9, moose. Number 10, dark rabbit. Number 11, wolf. And another animals we already counted in wild plants. This is farm map animal number 12, chicken. Number 13, rooster. Number 14, pig. Number 15, cow. Number 16, sheep. Number 17, horse. And number 18, goat. Sound map animal number 19, giraffe. Animal number 20, buffalo. Number 21, warthog. Number 22, gazelle. Number 23, cheetah. Number 24, lion. Number 25, zebra. Last one in savanna, number 26, hippo. Savanna lake map, number 27, ostrich. Number 28, flamingo. The last one in savanna lake, number 29, hyena. Japanese forest number 30, red crown and grey. 31, Japanese macaque. 32, sea cadil. 33, Japanese boar. This is the last one in Japanese forest, 34, serow. First animal in wild jungle, number 35, sloth. Number 36, red panda. Number 37, elephant. Number 38, crocodile. Number 39, gorilla. Number 14, python. This is the last in jungle, number 41, jaguar. Welcome to the Egypt. First animal fennec fox, number 42. Number 43, camel. Number 44, baboon. Number 45, frog pug. Number 46, Nile crocodile. Number 47, hyena. And number 48, tree cobra. Oh my god guys, can they live inside trees? This is number 49, Allah's cat. First animal in China forest. Number 50, pangolin. Number 41, golden target. 52, golden saddle-nosed monkey. 53, panda. 54, tiger. 55, saiga antelope. 56, red panda. And the last one in China forest, this is north leopard, number 57. Australia first animal number 58, koala bear. Number 59, wombat, I say capybara. Number 60, emu birds. This is snake. 61, common death adder. 62, kangaroos. 63, cassowary. 64. Saltwater crocodile. Number 65. Dingoes. Here is the last one. Animal number 66. Tasmanian devil. L6 wild dogs. L7 big cats. 5 type deers and 1 moose. 4 monkeys. 7 birds. 3 snakes and 3 crocodiles. 4 type pigs. And 66 animals in game. Okay, bye bye.